This is the minimal frame puzzle, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Lucy Powles and made by Puzzle Guy. Difficulty level of the minimal frame puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal is to fit all parts inside the frame in such a way that none of the parts will be able to slide out. Like, this is not the solution of the puzzle, since, as you can see, the yellow and orange parts can be slided out easily. But you have to figure out the way how to put the parts in such a way that none of them will be able to slide out. This puzzle has 39 possible assemblies, but only one of them is anti-slide. If you like the minimal frame puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos about puzzles. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, put the frame like that. There are two parts on the frame that stick out. They kind of holding the parts together. So you will start by putting this piece right here. Then this purple piece goes down here. Then we will put the green piece right in here. Then we have this dark red piece that goes right here, and this pink piece goes here. So the next one will be the dark blue piece. It goes here, and the light blue piece goes here. As you can see, it is already a stable shape. You won't be able to slide out any of the parts. And now we just have two parts left. This yellow piece that goes right here, and this orange piece that fits right here. And that is the anti-slide solution. As you can see, I'm not able to slide out any of the parts. They sit pretty tight within the frame. If you like the minimal frame puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Lucy Powles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.